the question of what is success. Because invariably any action within an organization or a group is you're heading towards something called success. And to be successful, do anything to get there. And that anything is probably anything, right? So what is the definition of success as a message to so many of our volunteers? We have about 50 volunteers, youth, and many others as well here. How should they see success? Is it money? Is that what is the road? What is success? And how can we ensure ethics and values on the road to being successful? So these are two questions into one. So whoever would like to start, shall I start with you?
Back to an anecdote from one of the scriptures, what they call success as. In this ancient epic of Valmiki called Ramayana, there's this place where Ram triumphs over Ravana. He wins in the battle. And Ravana's wife, Mandodari, she was an erstwhile daughter of an Yaksha. Yakshas were very powerful people like Bahubalis in those days. So she was a daughter of a Yaksha, and she was quite surprised that her husband, Ravana, such a great king with such great valor, could ever be defeated in a battle against humans. For them, humans were primitive mortals who can just about fight. So she was quite surprised, and she wanted to first abuse the person who defeated her husband, and second, she wanted to have a glimpse of the person whoever defeated. So with her disheveled hair, she comes running on the battlefield, and to her it didn't matter that Ram had won over Ravana, and for her that was not success. So she came running. Valmiki is such a great poet. Rama is seated on a stone. The rays of the sun are falling on him, and there's a shadow falling on the earth. The moment Rama was looking at the ground, he saw the shadow of one person fast approaching him. Looking at the shape of the shadow, he could get to understand that this is the shadow of a woman. This lady came to abuse to see who that person is. He didn't even know who that person was. He was just looking at the shadow. At that very moment, Valmiki says, he went one step back so that his shadow doesn't touch the shadow of the other woman. So that's when she stops and she realizes that success to Rama was not in the battle, but success to Rama was in this character where he thought the other woman should be equally respected, which did not lie west in her husband. So to her, success was not wealth. To her, success was not the other person winning. To her, success was with a person who valued the other person equally. So, if the question is about success, the definition is very simple. As stated by a Subhashitam, Adhamaha dhanam icchanti. People of the lowest caliber seek only money. Adhamaha dhanam icchanti. Dhanam manam cha madhyamaha. I don't mind compromising a little on my values. I need little of my values. I'll use it whenever, wherever, selectively, but I need money as well. Dhanam manam cha madhyamaha. They belong to the middle cadre. Uttamaha manam icchanti. Those people who respect values are the ones who will remain successful forever. Manohi mahatam dhanam. This is the saying.
Thank you.